Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this amazing recipe with some pumpkin and fresh fruits. Subscribe to my channel to see more of my recipes. First of all, you need some raisins in some hot water. Then let's peel some apples. Then cut an orange. Peel it off and then cut it this way. After, add all the fruits inside the pumpkin. Just place all the fruit and the pieces that you cut inside the pumpkin. Then add all the other parts. Then add some sugar on top. You can add some more or just let it with that. Then add some butter. Add it into a plastic sleeve. Then close it and add it into the oven in 180 Celsius for about 1 hour. After, take it out and pop the plastic. Be careful because it's hot. It's super soft and sweet. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can plate it right away because it looks delicious. Hope you like this recipe because it's amazing, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.